9 Fish, 10 Fish, Unit 6, Module 1, Session 4. Today we will solve addition story problems with sums to 20 involving situations of adding to and putting together with unknowns in all positions. Use strategies to add with sums to 20, model with mathematics, use appropriate tools strategically, look for and make use of structure. Penguin fun facts. The main food source for most penguins is fish. Penguins can eat up to 20 fish in an hour, depending on the age of the penguin and the size of the fish. Penguins often eat fish, take a break, and then go back to eat some more. 9 Fish, 10 Fish. Today we're going to solve some story problems about penguins who love to eat fish. A penguin ate 10 fish. A few minutes later, the penguin ate 3 more fish. How many fish did the penguin eat in all? 10 plus 3 equals 13. We don't have our number racks, so you could use some sort of counter like M&Ms, paper clips, crayons, anything small that you could make 2 rows of 10 to sort of simulate our number racks. Pause the video if you'd like to go find something to use. On Sunday, Penny the penguin ate 10 fish for breakfast. Then she ate 6 more fish for lunch. How many fish did she eat in all? Top row shows 10. Bottom row shows 6. 10 plus 6 equals, so we can count on. We know that there are 5 red and 5 white on each row, so we could go 10 plus 5 is 15, plus 1 more equals 16. We could go 5, 10, 15, plus 1 more equals 16. 10 plus 6 equals 16. Remember on Sunday, Penny the penguin ate 16 fish? She had 10 fish for breakfast and 6 for lunch. Well, on Monday, Penny ate only 9 fish for breakfast. Then she ate 6 more fish for lunch. How many did she eat in all? 9 is 1 less than 10. So if she ate 16 on Sunday and she had 1 less on Monday, how many did she eat? There's 9 showing on the top row and 6 showing on the bottom row. How many did she eat? 9 plus 6 equals 15. Let's compare the last 2 combinations we just solved. What do you observe? We had 10 on top and 9 on top. We had 1 less when she ate 9. We still have 6 on the bottom in both equations. So 10 plus 6 equals 16. 9 plus 6 equals 15. 9 is 1 less than 10, plus 6 equals 15. 15 is 1 less than 16. Let's look at a few more combinations. Remember, we can take one bead away from the bottom and add it to the top to make 10. 9 plus 2. If we take one away from the bottom and add it to the top to make 10, we would get 11. 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4, so 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 9 plus 5. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We won't be playing Spin to Win Bingo because I have no way to do that with you. Sorry. I'm clicking very quickly through this. You could do the math equations as we go. And that's it for today. Thanks, guys.